light's supposed to be on. There.
Doesn't do that for video.
That does. My light stays on.
Is it recording?
Hi, I'm Jessica Cordova, and this is the Cordovas.
No, they'll blow around. As a matter of fact, they might blow out of that still.
I know the drill. Okay, come on, where's the... Oh, I can see it. Dad, you see it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
That's actually pretty close.
Probably on the other side of the street. Okay, have fun!
This guy can't see it.
No!
Come here, why is it so low? Hey, remember to light the longer fuse. Shorter one, I got it. I know, that side's perfect. The other side is longer.
Got it?
Who would put it in a bucket?
Whose idea was it? Okay, Jessica.
Is that okay, or is it blinding you?
What the heck?